Joe's first car. Joe was 18 years old and had a job at McDonald's. Every penny he earned, he saved. He had a big dream and a growing bank account. Joe had $2,500 saved up. He wanted to buy a sports car more than anything. He started his search, looking through newspapers and magazines, dreaming of the day he'd have his own car. One day, Joe found it. The perfect car. It was sleek, it was fast, and it was for sale. He and his dad went to see it. Joe loved the car, but he didn't have enough money. His dad told him to keep saving, but Joe couldn't wait. He wanted this car more than anything. Joe asked his dad for help. They talked for a long time and made a deal. His dad would lend him the money, but Joe had to promise to work hard and pay him back. Joe was so happy he could burst. He had his very first car. He promised his dad he would work hard and pay back every penny. Joe was a responsible car owner. He washed his car every weekend and made sure it was always clean and shiny. He was also a responsible worker. He never missed a shift at McDonald's and always did his best. He was determined to pay his dad back as soon as possible. Every week, Joe would give his dad a part of his paycheck. His dad was very proud of him. He knew Joe was a responsible young man. Finally, the day came when Joe had paid back all the money. He and his dad celebrated with a long drive in his sports car, the windows down and the music up. Joe had never been prouder.